Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Quanta Publishers. Myself Muhammad Zaim Zafar, and in today's video we shall discuss why don't birds or squirrels on power lines get electrocuted. So we have seen many times that birds sitting on the power lines and they're completely safe and sound while sitting on their power lines. So in this video we shall discuss why these power lines containing thousands of voltages of electric current do not even hurt the birds or the squirrels. So we shall have to understand the basic phenomena that why electric current flows from anything, which is that if a body is connected across to the potentials of a battery. Let's say we have a bulb and connected across two different terminals of battery. One terminal is positive, another is negative, and the positive terminal have larger potential and negative terminal has lower potential. So the difference between this potential makes the charges to flow from this wire and from the whole circuit to lit the bulb up. But in the other case, if both ends of bulb are connected to the same potential, the bulbs do not get lit and even no current flows from the wire because both of the ends are at same potential, and because of having same potential the charges have no push or pull to flow from the circuit. That's why the bulb do not lit up and no current flows from the bulb in this case. So in the case of this beautiful bird, the bird is sitting on a wire which is at high potential. Suppose thousands of potential can contain these wire, but the both feet of this bird are on the same potential, and because of the same potential the current do not flows from the body of this bird, and the bird can sit here as long as he want. But the birds may in danger when they are sitting on a wire touch the other wire which is passing along by. So suppose this bird is sitting on this wire and he accidentally touches the second wire. So because of the difference of the potential of these two wires, the current may flow from the body of this bird and this could be destructive for him. This is how birds do not get electrocuted when they sit on the wires. We will come in the next video with next question. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.